Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about the best Shopify app for abandoned carts. According to some statistics, the average shopping cart abandonment rate is about 70%, which is a ton of lost revenue. Luckily, there are fantastic Shopify applications that can help you recover and convert some of those abandoned carts into sales. So in this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to be walking you through finding and setting up the best Shopify abandoned cart recovery app to rescue this lost revenue for your store. So let's get right into it. First of all, it's helpful to understand and analyze the key reasons shoppers tend to abandon their carts before checking out. We've got reasons like extra costs like shipping and taxes at checkout. The checkout process seems too long or complicated. Maybe they want to think more or compare prices with other shops before buying, or they get distracted and forgot to finish. So knowing the psychology behind why most carts get abandoned enables us to address those consumer pain points through our recovery campaigns. For example, through the application, we can reinforce free shipping, simplify the checkout, or reassure shoppers about security, and such messages that they receive through the application can help them overcome the hesitations. However, no matter how great your store's user experience is, some abandonment will always happen. The key is having a recovery system ready to nurture those leads. So now you might be wondering, why can't I just use Shopify's built-in abandoned cart recovery feature? And while this does provide some basic abandoned cart functionality, it has some major limitations. You can only send a single generic email reminder, no customization of email or SMS timing or messaging, very basic analytics and segmentation, and no SMS text message reminders, email only. So these factors severely restrict your ability to bring abandoned shoppers back and get them to complete their purchase. And that's why we need to get a dedicated abandoned cart recovery application that I think is absolutely essential. So based on features, customization, deliverability, pricing, and reviews, I recommend ReCapture as the best abandoned cart application. This one is extremely powerful, customizable, and beautifully designed abandoned cart recovery app trusted by over 10,000 Shopify merchants. And the benefits that make it my #1 recommendation is first, the email and the SMS. ReCapture sends cart reminders via email and SMS text messages for maximum impact. The multi-channel follow-up converts abandoned carts 2 to 3 times higher than email alone. There's also the convenient pre-configured templates. They take the guesswork out of messaging with pre-optimized templates designed to convert for your industry. You just have to customize and send. There's also the automated workflows, as you can set up tailored automated series of email and SMS reminders to bring shoppers back over time. Additionally, you have the Zapier integration, detailed analytics, world-class support, and obviously the free trial to any of their memberships, plus the free permanent plan. So you can test out ReCapture risk-free to experience the revenue impact before paying for any plan. So clearly, ReCapture checks out all of the boxes for powerful automation, customization, and integration capabilities at good prices. The base plan starts at $29 per month. It grants you access to everything in the free plan, obviously, plus a bunch of other features that you can test out first, and if you found profitability within them, then you can invest in the plan itself. Installing ReCapture takes just a few minutes from your Shopify admin. You just have to log into your Shopify admin and then go to Apps, visit App Store, and then search for ReCapture and click on the ReCapture application. Click Install or Get and accept the permissions prompt, and then follow the activation prompt to connect your store and the account. Once connected, ReCapture will instantly start collecting abandoned cart data to power your campaigns very easily. They also have getting started guides within the applications that provide detailed steps as well as screenshots. And now we're going to get into the setup for our first reminder workflow. You should customize the ReCapture workflows to match your store's messaging, products, and the customers. The steps for setting up our first automated abandoned cart reminder is to select the Workflows tab and click on the Create Your First Workflow. After that, choose the trigger, likely when a customer abandons their cart. Select if you want emails, SMS, or both for reminders. I recommend selecting both, obviously. And then pick an email template and customize the content. You can also set up the SMS message content if using texting, and then choose the timing such as after 24 hours, 3 days, 7 days, etc. This is the time after which it sends a reminder email or SMS whenever a cart gets abandoned. And then activate the workflow and watch reminders start converting to sales. I would recommend experimenting with different timings, content, and workflows for your products, VIPs, discounts, and all of that. See what best resonates with your customers and double down on those strategies. The key is optimizing your messaging and approach over time as you learn more about your audience through ReCapture's detailed data and analytics. And there you have it. That was a basic overview looking and finding the best Shopify abandoned cart recovery app and maximizing results with ReCapture. Remember that recovering even a fraction more of your lost carts results in a huge sales and profit boost, especially over time. So don't leave this low-hanging fruit on the table. Let us know if you have any other questions. We'll be happily answering them in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then let us know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can create related to this one.